Every batch of popcorn classic butter begins here. Quality starts with perfectly matured kernels. Careful harvesting preserves every kernel.
Scale demands precision machinery.
Movement begins the journey forward. Bulk collection prepares for transport. Only the best move forward. Gravity drives the next step. Traceability ensures consistency. The journey accelerates. From farm to facility begins here. Secured for the road ahead. Nothing valuable is left behind. The road to transformation begins. Next stop, the factory.
Movement continues with precision timing.
All roads lead to transformation.
The processing hub comes into view. Every delivery is verified.
Measured for accuracy and control. Inside the system, precision rules. Arrival triggers the next phase.
Slow down, keep coming. Okay, stop right there. Human control ensures perfect positioning.
Raw material meets the system. The flow begins again. Every step moves closer to transformation. Preparation leads to release. Gravity takes control. The factory begins its work. From outside to inside, the transformation begins.
Inside, the system reveals its scale.
Every element is built for flow. From outside, it stands as a system of precision. Controlled entry ensures consistency.
The workforce drives the operation.
Clean entry protects product integrity. The heart of production begins here.
Flow remains uninterrupted.
Every layer supports the process. Control begins with data. Machines awaken in sequence. Precision guides every kernel. Synchronization defines efficiency. Now, purification begins. The first step, removing impurities. Rotation separates what doesn't belong. Air systems keep the process pure. Precision filters out imperfections. Safety is built into every stage. Cleaned with controlled precision. Uniform cleaning ensures consistency. Drying prepares for precision. Every kernel is stabilized. Technology refines the selection. Only the finest move ahead. Uniformity is now achieved. Prepared for transformation. Heat begins to unlock the kernel. Temperature is carefully managed. Pressure builds within every kernel. Energy gathers beneath the surface. At the perfect moment, it releases. Transformation happens in an instant. From kernel to popcorn, fully transformed. Cooling stabilizes the structure. Temperature control ensures perfection. Flavor is prepared with precision. Flavor meets texture. Uniform coating defines quality. Balance creates the signature taste.
Consistency is engineered.
Ready for precision automation.
Now, the system refines the result.
Balance ensures equal treatment. Uniform layers create uniform results. Air refines what remains. Only perfection moves forward. Final touches refine the flavor. Consistency is engineered to perfection. Stability defines the final form. Every detail is measured. Human precision meets automation. Optimization keeps the system balanced.
Uniformity signals readiness.
Automation takes full control. Clean systems protect the product. Now, precision reaches its peak. Automation begins its precise control.
Every movement is calculated.
Precision is digitally controlled. Accuracy defines consistency.
Flow is guided with intelligence.
Alignment prepares for final handling. Nothing escapes the system's eye. Imperfections are removed instantly.
Human oversight guides automation.
Real-time control ensures perfection. Efficiency. Efficiency reduces complexity. Stability defines readiness. Elevated for the final stage. Distribution ensures balance. Now, it's ready to be sealed. Precision meets final containment. Every gram is controlled. Forming begins the final shape. Every pack starts with a seal. Measured and filled to perfection. Freshness is sealed instantly. Precision defines every cut. The product takes its final form.
Every seal is verified.
Only perfection proceeds.
Traceability completes the pack. Order prepares for storage. Units combine for efficiency. Protection seals the group. Now, the final checks begin. Final checks begin here.
Human eyes confirm machine precision.
Machines verify every detail.
Accuracy is double-checked. Accuracy is double-checked.
Quality is tested inside the pack.
Texture defines the experience.
Moisture levels are critical. Flavor is measured scientifically.
Safety is never compromised. Every batch is recorded.
Approval clears the path forward.
The journey nears completion.
Order prepares for dispatch. From testing to delivery, final stage begins. The final structure takes shape. Precision builds every layer. Balance ensures safe transport. Protection begins its seal. Secured for the journey ahead. Every shipment is tracked.
Stored with precision.
Ready for dispatch at any moment. Demand sets the process in motion. From storage to shipment. Ready to reach the world.
And this is how modern factories produce popcorn classic butter from start to finish.
The journey continues beyond the factory. From field to